In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase in BeFunky. By the end, you'll know how to quickly remove unwanted objects from a photo using the built-in object eraser, and you'll pick up a few tips to get clean, natural-looking results. First, open your browser and head to the BeFunky dashboard. From there, choose Photo Editor. This opens the main editing workspace where you'll see your tools on the left and the canvas in the center. Next, bring your image into the editor. Click Open, then choose Computer and select the photo you want to edit. Give it a second to load and it will appear on the canvas ready to work on. If your image is large, consider zooming out slightly to get a comfortable view of the full scene before you start. Now it's time to access the tool that does the heavy lifting. Look to the left side toolbar and click Object Eraser. This tool is designed to intelligently remove whatever you paint over, blending the background to fill the gap. It's ideal for taking out distractions like stray people, signs, or blemishes that pull focus from your subject. Before you start brushing, adjust your brush settings so you have control. A larger brush is great for broad areas, while a smaller brush gives you precision around edges. If there's an option for softness or feathering, increase it a bit to help the erased area blend more naturally. Zoom in when you're working near detailed edges so you can paint right up to the boundary without overlapping too much. Paint directly over the object you want to remove. Think of it like highlighting everything that should disappear. Try to cover the object fully, but avoid brushing beyond it into important background details. If you make a mistake, use undo and refine your strokes. For complex shapes, it can help to work in sections rather than trying to cover everything in one pass. When your selection looks good, click Erase Object. BeFunky will process the area and attempt to rebuild the background seamlessly. After the result appears, take a moment to inspect it. If you see small remnants or areas that need a cleaner edge, simply brush those spots again and click Erase Object once more. Sometimes a couple of quick passes produce the most convincing blend, especially in busy backgrounds like foliage or textured walls. That's all there is to it. You opened your photo, selected Object Eraser, painted over what you didn't want, and applied the erase. With a bit of patience and careful brushing, you can remove distractions and keep the focus exactly where it belongs.